Setting up SuiteDash for seamless client scheduling might seem like a daunting task, but today I'm going to show you how easy it can be. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, not only will you be able to schedule your clients effortlessly, but I'll also introduce you to some alternatives that may work even better for your needs, and trust me, you'll want to hear about these. First things first, let's dive into SuiteDash's core scheduling feature. The key is to integrate your calendar into SuiteDash properly. When you're on a dashboard, head to the Client Portal section. You'll find a Calendar option here, which is your gateway to managing appointments. Click it, and from there, you can sync with Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCal, ensuring that your appointments are always in sync across platforms. Next thing to focus on is setting up the appointment types. SuiteDash lets you create multiple appointment types, whether you're offering consultations, follow-up calls, or project reviews. You can customize the duration, availability, and even add specific questions for clients when they book. This is key to providing a seamless booking experience where clients feel taken care of from the moment they book an appointment. Now, let's talk about customizing the booking page. After all, this page is where clients will schedule their time with you. SuiteDash allows you to add your business logo, customize colors, and even add custom fields to collect information from clients up front. This way, you won't be scrambling for details later. You can also set up reminders so your clients get notified about their appointments, which reduces no-shows and ensures a smooth experience for both sides. The next thing to consider is integration with other SuiteDash features. This software is a full suite platform, and you can connect your scheduling feature with invoicing and project management. For instance, once a client books an appointment, SuiteDash can automatically generate an invoice and associate it with the appointment. Plus, your team can get notifications and access client info directly from the scheduling page, eliminating a lot of manual work. Then, we move on to client notifications. SuiteDash allows you to set automated reminders for clients through email and text, which makes a huge difference in ensuring that clients don't forget their appointments. You can personalize the messages too, including your own branding, making them feel more personal and professional. The fourth thing to cover is appointment cancellations and reschedules. SuiteDash offers a self-service option for clients to reschedule or cancel their appointments directly from the booking page. This gives clients flexibility while still keeping your schedule organized. You can even set cancellation policies to avoid last-minute changes. Alright, now for something very important, alternative scheduling tools. While SuiteDash has strong features, there are some areas where it might fall short depending on your needs. For example, its client interface can feel a bit clunky, and the learning curve for setting up certain features can be frustrating. There are other platforms like Acuity Scheduling and Calendly that offer more intuitive user experiences, especially if you don't want to deal with a complicated setup process. They also have great integrations and are simpler to navigate. So, while SuiteDash is a solid choice for people needing an all-in-one business management system, if your main goal is to streamline client scheduling with minimal effort and a smoother interface, you might want to explore those alternatives. To wrap things up, if you're still considering SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive deal for you. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and additional benefits that are only available for our viewers. But if you want to check out better options for scheduling and find the right fit for you, make sure to give those alternatives a try too. All of them come with free trials as well, so there's no risk in exploring what works best for your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the description for the best deals and trials for your scheduling needs.